for many
Yeah.
people.
You know, one of the things I appreciate in the stuff that you've shared is it's very. I'll contrast it with on Thursday. I sat in on a product demo. It's something that was posted on X. That
Mhm.
these like a free seminar showing 20 things you can do with AI. And I sat through this webinar. They showed all these apps, all these websites, and in almost every single example, the presenter was showing people how to use an app that would tell an AI agent to do something that the presenter and the users didn't understand.
Yeah,
So to
exactly.
send it off to go do work as if it's the work, here's how to have it write an email for you. Have it write a 4 paragraph email for you. Here's how to have it post you write one sentence and have it make a whole slide deck for you. And it was getting oohs and ahs from the chat. I'm going, oh my gosh, this is not. Here we are with the danger of AI making us think that it's you know, it's the thinker now and not that it's rather than it's the tool. So, the thing that's
Yeah.
great with all the things you showed is it's keeping the human in the loop. It's keeping the human as the thinker with the help with AI as the helper. And I really
Yeah.
think
Yeah.
that the vast majority of people don't understand that yet. And I don't think they're being told that by the majority of people that are out there as proponents of AI. It's like Mickey Mouse and the Sorcerer's Apprentice. It's like just start waving the wand and getting everything going, and you've got this maelstrom going around you that eventually is going to crash because you don't understand what you're doing or what you're trying to make it do, and it definitely doesn't understand because it's just an algorithm. So
Exactly. Yeah.
there's all this activity happening, and there's no one in the loop that actually understands what's happening, and it's people will be headed for a complete burnout or turn off to AI with that type of use out there. And I think I I I don't know what turns the tide of that other than people are going to have to run into the wall and then kind of reevaluate.
Yeah, yeah. I think what you described now, we can frame it. AI can be an assistant in your sense making, or it can disrupt your sense making.
Yeah.
Right. So just basically two ways, and you're the one who needs to pick one, because AI can be extremely helpful to help you to make sense of the world, but also it can make the world so complex that it will completely disrupt the sense making, and it's going on now, right? People just
Yeah.
like freaking out, feeling FOMO, feeling like, oh my god, what's going on? There's something there, something here, and all of this misinformation and disinformation thing, right? It's just like deep fakes, and it's getting better and better. It's and with video specifically, you can design something like, for example, we can design ourselves on this stream, and just two virtual agents talking to each other, and at some point it's going to be indistinguishable from reality. So there's a lot, yeah, there's a lot, but again, AI can help us to make sense of it. So this is, for me, this is the most important. This is what I'm doing, right? I'm
Yeah.
focused on AI as a sense-making co-pilot. I'm just kind of pick up this vertical and I try to focus on it, and I try to remove everything else. I don't know
Yeah.
how to use AI to write good. I mean, I have some ideas, but it's not definitely not my specialty. I don't know how to build AI agents that can send cold emails. I mean, again, I can probably figure this out, but it's not mine. So I pick up this vertical where how to use AI to make better sense of the world.